Hey ReLovers, I have a package to open and I'm glad you're here to open it with me. It is a little bit of history too. So this is a Louis 101. I am replacing a piece that I have that I know and love, and I had to share it with you. So without further ado, woohoo! So if you don't know already, these are scarves and they're from the posthumous tribute collection for Stephen Sprouse. They were done by Marc Jacobs and they use his graffiti, Stephen Sprouse's, I don't want to mix you up here, they use Stephen Sprouse's graffiti influence to make these scarves. They are large. They're a cashmere silk blend. I wear mine year round. They are very comfortable. They are warm in the winter and they're cool in the summer. I kid you not, I take it on vacation in the summer. I took it on our cruise with the kids when we went. It is kind of like a security blanket. I just always have it with me. And I've worn that one out. I bought it pre-loved probably 8 years ago. When these went out, they were sold out instantly, and I believe they retailed for $900. And they sold out instantly, and they were really hard to find, and you know, 76 by 56, so it's quite large. This is the Blue Nuit, which is Blue Night color. It's very pretty. They are replicated often. You have to be very careful when buying them. I've actually tried to get some authenticated. It's hard to get them authenticated. A lot of companies won't do it. But the last one I bought, and I believe you saw a video. I know I posted a video. It was not real. And so, you know, I know this is real. It's from a trusted seller, but I still get paperwork on everything, and I do know a source that will authenticate scarves. So there are a few key things to look for are color combinations. These have a raw edge purposely. This one's in really good shape. I don't see any snags. Mine is so snagged up. It's so soft and light and airy. It's just gorgeous. So there's millions and millions and millions of ways to wear these scarves. Color combination and the graffiti. It's just gorgeous. I love it. Okay, I can't wait to show you the other one I bought. These are for me, and I plan one day to have them all. This one, it's a fun color. It's so pretty. This is Spray Rose, or Spray Rosé, and Blue Nuit, Blue Night. And this one has the same sheer. It's so soft. Here's your graffiti. Another sign to look for is they should all be made in Italy, and they should only be stitched one hand stitch here and one there. And this loose. It's extremely hard to authenticate them if you don't have the tags. But with this, you can with the font. And a lot of times you have to just feel it. And this feels so good on, yep, I think I might wear this one. So, it's a cold day for South Carolina. And if I go outside, I would put this jacket on. But in the house, if I have socks on, I don't have a carpet in my studio, I would be fine with this on my neck. Or like in the holidays, you know how your house gets hot and it's really hard to wear a sweater in the house if you're cooking and you got company over and just the house is hot because there's people in it. Something like this is perfect. It just seems to kind of climate control yourself. We gotta get those. Woo. Yellows and pinks. This is kind of periwinkle. This right here is a periwinkle. Pink rose. So pretty. Have a good day, everyone, and go to YouTube. I have so many videos there. Would love to have you subscribe to my channel.